Hello everyone, this is a 2022 Lexus NX350. To reset the maintenance light on this one, you gotta use this start button, tap it twice do not press on the brake pedal, and then hold for the screen to come up. All right, once this screen comes up, you press the settings button. This comes up. You will go down to vehicle customize, and then go down utility, schedule maintenance, reset. Has been reset. You go down on maintenance, oil maintenance. If you have done the oil change on it, reset. That's it. That's how you do it. It says reset complete. So press this, go back. No more messages. Everything has been reset. Thank you for watching.